just came across another home. Pretty much it's just wide open, so we're just gonna walk on in, take a look. And what did I walk into? Check this out. A wallet with money in it. $50? Are you kidding me? Should I take it or leave it here? Not too sure. What the heck is this? Any left? Oh, it's a gift card. Alright, let's see what else we can find in here. I mean, there's so much stuff. Having like a sensory overload. Nice little sliding doors. I wonder what this is. Here's some old records, Barry White. Let's see what else we got here. The Jacksons. I don't know, this must be some kind of blues or jazz. Muddy Mississippi Waters. Johnny Lee Hooker. And there's just stuff everywhere. Wow, I'm not sure if I can access upstairs. This is going to be tricky. Because it goes right down into the basements. I'll see if I can do it. Alright, I done it. Guess I'm the man. Let's go up here and see what's going on. It's the National Enquirer. Doesn't have a date on it. Oh, yeah, it does. $19.79. All right, let's check another room. I'm a little nervous right now. There's a lot of activity outside. So I'm gonna try to hurry up. I don't see anything of that would be interesting. There's just clothes and stuff everywhere. All right, I guess the people had seen my car and they're questioning why is it here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this one short right now and just go ahead and leave. Yeah, it'll be kind of safer that way. So I'm sorry that I had to cut this one short, but yeah, it is what it is. So I have to make it back down the stairs, well, lack thereof. So thank you for being patient, and I'll check you out in the next video.